Hello campers and RVers. Today I'm going to start gluing the Airstream back together, specifically the laminate. The closet, the pantry, some areas in the cupboards and some of the doors, and also in the bedroom area. We've had some inclement weather, so I haven't been able to remove the contents in the closets and all. And today we have blue skies, maybe a few clouds, but I'll be able to start pulling everything out of the closets. So, time to get started. Check back with you later. As you can see, the laminate is just coming completely apart, just like it did with the table. So, yeah, it's all coming apart. So I just need to re-glue all that back together. This particular area where the radio is located, or DVD player, was actually replaced because it was coming apart so bad maybe about a year ago. But again, the glue that the Airstream company uses is not very good for all climates, and particularly the climates that I travel in. So that's that area I'm going to fix. So I got the closets cleaned out, and first thing I did was turn off the propane tanks and made sure I bled the lines and aired everything out. I have all of the windows open for safety purposes of using this contact cement, which has all kinds of precautions on the warning labels. So I'll show you that. So this is the contact cement that I'm going to use, and I also picked up some of these brushes and some of these cotton swab assortment from the hardware store to help in putting this adhesive on. I'm just putting on these clamps to hold this down so it holds it into place, just like what I did with the table. So what I did is I glued it down, and then I put this board here, and I need to put another clamp over here in the corner because my piece of wood wasn't long enough, and just to hold it down so it stays into place. And we'll see if that works. So I have 4 clamps on there, and I'm going to have to run to the hardware store to get a few more clamps. Also, I'm not sure how I'm going to get pressure on this, but I'll try to get some glue on that one. Really want to make sure that you get the edges really good, so So I have 2 pieces of heavy wood that found in the trash, just to sit on top of the laminate to hopefully stays together. So the laminate on the door needs to be fixed as well. So I'll tackle that next. And let that dry and check on it in a little bit. So I left the clamps in place for 24 hours. I did take off the clamp and board that was right here because it stuck out and I didn't want to hit my head on it through the night. But I'm ready to go ahead and take the clamps off and see how it did 24 hours later. So it looked like it works. There is a little bit of glue residue that I'll have to get off, but it did pretty good. Keeping it down, and again, this piece I took off the board that was next to it, but it's staying, so that's much better than what it was. So check out the other areas. Did really well. You could see there's just a little bit of glue residue that I can get off, but look at how solid that's on there. So I'm very pleased with that one. That one did well too. So you can see it stayed down pretty good. A little bit of residue here on the top, but I can get that off. Campers and RVers, that'll be it for today. The contact cement worked pretty well on the laminate. If you have an RV or an Airstream that's the laminate's coming apart, the contact cement was pretty easy to apply, and I'm happy with the results. So I hope this was helpful to you, and thanks so much for watching.